Okay, so you're just working on conversions today. So A is done for you, but it's basically converting weeks to days. And what you need to know is 1 week is equal to 7 days. Okay, so they've done that one for you, but you might see another one like that again in the next few days. So let's say you have 5 weeks and you want to convert that to how many days? Well, basically it would be 5 times 7. Okay, then you would have 35 days. Okay, 5 times 7. So that's how you would convert weeks to days. Okay, next you're converting years. If you have 1 year, you're converting that to how many days? 1 year is equal to 365 days. Okay, so the conversion there would be, let's say you have 3 years equals how many days? Okay, and so then you would have 3 times 365, and that's how many days you would have in 3 years. Okay, on 1C, you're going to be, remember to stop the video and do your problems as you go, and that'll help you. So in 1C, you're converting meters. So let's say you have 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, okay? So let's say you had 3.8 meters, and you want to see how many centimeters that is. So it would equal, you would have to do 3.8 times 100, and then you're converting meters to centimeters. Okay, now you try it on yours. Okay, in 1D, you're converting pounds to ounces. Okay, and so you remember that 1 pound, LB, is equal to 16 ounces. Okay, so let's say you have 10.3 pounds, and you want to convert that to inches. So it would be times 16, and then you would have how many ounces would be in 10.3 pounds. Okay, in 1E, we're converting kilograms to grams. And remember, 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. Okay, and so your problem there says 3.909. You want to convert that to grams, so it would be times 1,000. And that would give you the grams. Okay, in 1F, you're converting yards. So 1 yard is equal to 36 inches. Okay, you need to know that so that you can convert it. So if we have 245 yards times 36 times would give you how many inches that you would have in 245 yards. Okay, in 1B, remember you're seeing a newborn giraffe weighs 65 kilograms, and you want to see how much that is in grams. So remember, it would be 65 times 1,000 because you're converting it from kilograms to grams. Okay, on to 2C, you're converting meters to centimeters. And so you are seeing that there's a giraffe, it's 4.6 meters, and you want to find out that same height in centimeters. So it's going to be times 100. Okay, on 2D, you're going to be changing liters to milliliters. So you need to remember that 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. So it's 0.1 liters, that would be times 1,000 to convert that to milliliters. Okay, in 2E, you're converting pounds to ounces. So remember, it would be times 16 because there's 16 ounces in 1 pound. So it would be 9.8 times 16 to convert pounds to ounces. Okay, on 2F, you're converting meters. So you have 1 meter is equal to how many milliliters? It equals 1,000 milliliters. So you would have 0.13 times 1,000 to change meters to millimeters.